Hi, hello, how are ya? Chef Kennedy here. Being a professional chef, I often get asked my opinion on cookware, especially around the holiday season. Today I'm so excited because I finally ordered my very own Vitamix blender. I've been wanting a Vitamix ever since I first started working in vegan kitchens about 10 years ago. Every restaurant I've worked in uses them because they blend like no other and they last month after month, year after year. Today I'm gonna unbox my Vitamix E320 and help you decide if this machine is right for you. Before we get started, I just wanna say this video is not sponsored Vitamix, but I will leave some affiliate links down below. They're completely free for you to use and they help support me. So it's a win-win. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so here it is. How exciting. Time to open her up. Oh. Ooh, first thing I see is the famous tamper. Ooh. Here we have the container. Got some instruction manuals and cookbook. Okay, so here's everything that comes in the box when you order the E320. First, I want to talk about the base. One of my favorite features in all the Vitamix is they have this beautiful design that you can store the wire underneath and keep everything nice and tidy. This style specifically I really enjoy as well because it's very simplified, very user-friendly. There's only 3 buttons here. Next up is the container. So this is the low profile container. So these were specifically designed to fit underneath the countertops. This one is the 64 ounce. If you were going for the 310, that one's a 48 ounce container. One of the things that everyone loves about a Vitamix is the tamper. So the tamper was specifically designed so that you can push down food, and let's say you're blending up some grains or something with not a lot of liquid. This is gonna allow you to really scrape down the sides and push it towards the blade. What's great about this too is it's specifically designed to stop it before getting to the blade. So keep in mind too, if you ever need a replacement of this, make sure to order the right size because you will, I have, broken tampers by it being the wrong size, so just keep that in mind. Okay, so if you're trying to figure out which model is right for you, there are 3 different styles. So we have the Accent series, which has a lot of buttons going on, a lot of settings. Then they also have a plastic top instead of the rubber top. Then there's the Legacy series, which is very classic, and then the Explorian. So the Accent and the Legacy are gonna run you about $400 to $600, and the Explorian is about $289 to $350, depending on whether you catch a sale. In my opinion, the Explorian is all a home cook needs in order to succeed. If you're trying to get that beautiful, nice cream, a blended nut sauce, this will do that perfectly. You don't need to spend that extra amount of money. If you would like to, absolutely go for it. So for science purposes, I wanted to try something. So cashew-based sauces are notorious for being kind of hard to blend to really get that super creaminess. You usually need a high-speed blender or you need to soak them. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna blend my Alfredo sauce recipe. I'm gonna link it down below. We're gonna try it in the Vitamix and also in the Oster blender. We're gonna set the timer for 1 minute and see if they blend. All right, here we go. Starting the timer now. Perfectly creamy. Okay, same recipe, same everything, and this oyster blender, let's give it a shot. 1 minute on the clock. All right, time is up. Definitely doesn't look as pulverized as the Vitamix. Looks very gritty as well. Yeah, I'm gonna do a side-by-side. Vitamix for the win, baby. Okay, so maybe you're still asking, do I need a Vitamix? My answer to you is yes, and I'm gonna give you 3 reasons why. Number 1, it promotes a healthy lifestyle. You can easily make smoothies and juices and less processed food in your blender. Number 2, it's gonna last you a lifetime. This comes with a 7-year warranty and it's gonna last way beyond that. Number 3, it's gonna up your cooking game. You're gonna have more time to spend working on recipes and less time sitting there blending. All right, well, I hope this helped you guys make a decision on whether or not to buy a Vitamix. I can't wait to share more recipes using my new Vitamix. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Chef Kennedy, out.